Yeah, welcome back to the vlog, man. K510 Automotive Group. And yeah, today, man, we got another video. Not the video I want to make, man, but I'm in another one of my vehicles, and it's another issue with it. So let me show y'all what's going on. You see that light? No bueno, man. It's no good when that light is on, man. So yeah, man, I gotta call a tow truck to come pick up my Honda Pilot. I think my alternator is bad. So the tow truck is on his way now, so I guess I'll cut this camera back on once they come. And yeah, man, I already got the parts. I already picked up an alternator, so just a matter of getting this thing back home to my garage where I can repair it. But when it's never good to see that light, you know. So yeah, another repair video. Sorry guys, but that's what it's like when you have all these cars, man, and like and you're a mechanic. I can't afford to send it to no shops, so I gotta fix it myself. And luckily I have the skills to do that. So yeah, man, I'll see you guys in a little bit. She's on the tow truck. Alright guys, so now the tow truck got it. Gonna take the car back, and I'm just gonna follow behind it. And I'll show you guys what's going on when I get back to my house. So yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe to my channel, K510 Automotive Group. The shirt kind of faded, but I'm gonna go ahead and make me another one. But yeah, man, subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. Check me out on Instagram. Follow my car club, Batman Wagon Car Club on Instagram, man. Thank you for all the support. I'm just a car guy, man. Cars is my passion. It's my career. It's my life. You know what I mean? That's what really, you know what I mean, been supporting me. You know, through the years. You know what I mean? It's my first job, first everything, first love, everything. You know what I mean? It's an all-around car guy. It actually saved me from the streets. But that's I mean, that ain't even important, you know what I mean? But I'm just saying, if you got a passion for something, just go all the way with it, you know what I mean? And don't give up, no matter who discourages you and tell you can't do it. Just keep on doing it, man. Keep on proving them wrong. Don't give up. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. I know the previous clips y'all seen me picking up my car from the picking up my car with the tow truck and bringing it back to the crib. So this video, I had bought the part already. I had got an alternator, but before we get into that, I kind of want to confirm it's the alternator. Even though the light is on, I'm going to check for voltage at the battery to see if the alternator was charging the battery. So that's what you're supposed to do first, but me personally, I just wanted to get this thing back on the road. So I'll try to grab the part before even diagnosing it, but 9 times out of 10 it probably will be your alternator if your battery light is on while the car is running. So just gonna confirm it. So I'm gonna pop the hood, and we're gonna check for voltage at the battery. So the battery is like under this air box, so you guys can see. So I guess I'm gonna take this off. I gotta take this off anyways. Take the engine cover off. And the alternator on these are like kind of tucked down in here. I've done these plenty of times working in the dealer, so I'm just gonna
gonna show you guys how to do it if you guys have a Honda Pilot and need help or tutorial. I try not to do tutorial videos because I mean it's a lot of editing and explaining, but I'm gonna try my best to make this like that type of video. So yeah man, stay tuned. Let me go and prep myself, get all this stuff moved out the way so we can check for voltage at the battery. So alright guys, we got the covers moved out the way. I got my voltmeter, so I'm gonna start the car so we can see, we can test out the alternator, see if it's charging the battery. Oh, like the battery barely, that thing barely wanted to start up. Put your voltmeter on voltage. I'll put that there. That's weird. I'm not sure if that's, they got 14 volts. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be, I'm sure that the alternator is working. Yeah, let me go check all the fuses first before I go crazy. And another thing, I didn't scan the car. Let me scan it too. So it's either it's overcharging, hey, this is my real reaction, man. I did not expect that. I thought it was gonna be like 12 volts. Sorry guys, I just took the car to get a battery test at the local Advanced Autos. I didn't bring my camera because I really don't like recording when it comes to spending my money, because they think you got more money than you got when you're just trying to get some help. But anyways, so I got a printout of the test and I'll be showing you guys the results. Alright, so my results are, the battery is good, the starter was normal, but the charging test was low. So I mean, it's confirmed that the charging is low, so I'm gonna replace the alternator, man, according to this test. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and first things first, make sure you disconnect your battery, your negative cable to your, just disconnect the negative and positive. Normally I just disconnect the negative, but yeah, because you don't want to be wrenching and get accidentally ground yourself, or you know, start some sparks. So first things first, disconnect your alternator, and then next I'm going to jack up the car, take off this wheel, the right front wheel, because it is a front wheel drive motor. So I mean, this car is all-wheel drive, but the motor is sideways. You can see you'll get most of your access from underneath in the fender well. So let me get started on that, and I'm gonna turn on the camera once we get more into the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take the battery, turn it off now. They're both negative and positive. Alright, so the battery is off, and now we are going to they're going to remove the wheel. Already jacked the car up, so I'm gonna go grab my impact gun and take this wheel off. Alright guys, so I got the wheel removed. I'm gonna go ahead and take the belt off, and then I'll show you guys how to do that. Alright guys, so far I just removed, I just slid the coolant reservoir to that side. Disconnected that 10mm bolt for the harness. I was gonna take the belt off now, but I still gotta disconnect all the wires. I don't know if you guys can see that down there. All the wires going to the alternator, the harnesses and everything. I need to disconnect that, and then after that I'll take off the belt. And it's like, I think it's, I gotta take off this bracket too, this alternator bracket. And then it's supposed to be like a 14 down there, and a 14 behind this. So yeah, man, I need to get me a like a little GoPro or like something to help me record, man. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all these harnesses to make way for the alternator to come out. I think I can just squeeze it up from, I normally just squeeze it up from this section right here and slide it. Oh yeah, you gotta disconnect your AC line too, so you don't pinch it from that bracket. So I'm able to slide it out through this little cover right here, little opening. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the harness and everything. Alright guys, so now got the alternator all disconnected. So now we're gonna get the now we're gonna take off the tensioner for the belt. Oh, we're not gonna take it off, we're gonna release the tensioner so we can take the belt off. Let me use a 14 ratchet wrench, some of the long handle. Pull it from the side of the belt. The tensioner is loose, so it's hard to hold the camera and do this. So I'm gonna take the belt off and then show y'all how to get the alternator out. All right, guys. So I got all the bolts out. Alternator is ready to come out. I do want to show y'all. It's a 14 for the lower mountain bolt and a 12. For that bracket right here, this bracket. I left that bolt in, but I just took out this outside bolt, which is a 12. They both are 12s. Once you get the harness out, you gotta kind of squeeze it out through this little loop right here with the AC hose. So I'm about to pull it out, and yeah, we can start a new one. But let me get this one out. All right, guys. So we got the alternator out. Just pulled it out. When you replacing any part, you want to kind of match it up with the new one. So let me pull this one out the box. Alright. Alright, cool. They look the same. Transfer this to this one. The back look the same. You see the mount, the same too. The bottom, Sometimes I like grind the bottom piece down. I'm gonna see if this one fits. Let's see if it fits. Hopefully this is a good one too, cause sometimes on CarQuest or Napa, it's like a hit or miss. You might get a defective part. So alright, man. I'll show you where it bolts up. So yeah, you are gonna have to fight to get it out. Kind of scratched on my little timing cover, and you're gonna have to bend your AC line a little bit to make room, and then pulling it out, you just push this hose out the way, and you should be able to slide it out. At least that's how I got it out. Sorry, man. Let's put the new one in. All right, guys. This is very important, man. You're gonna be fighting with this thing all day. So the bracket for the alternator, let me see if I can leave that light there. Zoom in all the way. That bracket right here. You can see my finger. Anyways, that bracket with the bottom half that the alternator go in. You have to use a small hammer and beat that piece in. Let me show y'all. See the hammer, small hammer. You gotta you're gonna have to beat that little washer at the bottom in, or you not getting that thing in. Yeah, beat it like that. I already beat it in. I just want to show you guys, just so you don't be fighting like how I was. Alright guys, so we got the new alternator in, and the belt is on now. So I'm just gonna check over my work, make sure I didn't leave anything unplugged, and put everything back. I gotta bolt back up that AC line, power steering pump gotta go back, and the washer reservoir gotta go back. So we almost there, man. After that, I'm gonna start it up, and we're gonna test the alternator again, and hopefully it's working. This is a good one. This is a lot of work. All right, guys, so we got everything back. Everything is back on. Now let's start it up and see if it fixed the problem. Moment of truth. Hey, no battery light, right? So we good. Good to go, man. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. It's K510 Automotive Group. Follow me on Instagram at K510 Automotive Group. Follow my car club on Instagram at Buy My Wagon Car Club. And that's it for this video, man. I'm tired. I'm about to go relax, take me a shower, and get out the sun. Peace.